Hey guys, welcome back to another video by Fully Informed Trade, or Fi Trade for short. Knowledge for everyone. My name is Alex Cho, and right now I'm going to be talking about the GLD, SPDR GLD Gold Trust. Now, the GLD is pulling back. It is below the 20-day moving average, and it's starting to pull back and fall a little lower. The volume is relatively moderate and around average for a typical trading session. However, I do want to make a very clear point. Um, Gold. Gold isn't really responding very well. I mean, when the dollar was falling, like, 300, 400 basis points, the gold market really didn't do much in response. I mean, it went up by around 200 to 150 basis points, maybe less than that. Typically, you'd expect you'd expect a much larger move from the gold market, but it's not happening. Um, and that's what was shocking to us. And now that the dollar is barely inching up like around 30 to 40 basis points, gold suddenly falls by around 120 to 160 basis points. So the main idea here is that even if the dollar just has this very weak rally, gold will overreact to that. The gold market or the gold traders will overly react and start selling and panicking. Now, if the dollar goes up, the gold traders in the gold trading pit at the foreign exchange or the commodity trading pit at the futures exchange, they're not going to be as eager to buy, so they buy less on a weaker dollar and they sell much more on a stronger dollar. So this just comes back to that market bias and the whole entire idea that, again, it's just a total difference in bid to ask spreads. Basically, there's more people willing to ask than there are willing to bid on this gold market. So that's just the way this market is being traded. I want you guys to keep that in mind. And so as long as the dollar continues to trade higher, GLD will continue to fall. And even if the dollar index were to consolidate for a while, it's not a very good sign for gold at all. So again, people are being very cautious and pessimistic on gold. And generally speaking, I just stay away from it. It's obviously too volatile, too risky for any average person who thinks it's safe. I mean, it really isn't that safe of a trade to be trading in. So take care, folks. You have a wonderful trading session.